Hey, what's up? It's Ray Ray doing my own remix to Ludacris featuring Bobby Valentino, Pimpin' All Over the World. I hope y'all like it. So here it goes. Oh yeah, fancy cars, the women in the caviar. You know who we are, 'cause we're pimpin' all over the world. The fancy cars, the women in the caviar. You know who we are, 'cause we're pimpin' all over the world. See, I've never been around the world, but I've been to a couple places. Not many experiences, but I'm going to say what I wanted to happen. I wanted to say, and it goes like this. Hey girl, you looking so fine, matter of fact, girl, yeah, you looking divine, see, Ray is my name, and that's how I shine, and girl, you shining pretty bright from behind, and if I give you my number, would you give me a call? Might not have to after this all, because when I talk to you, I get you hooked, and it'll make you happy that you decided to look. See, I know I'm not the man of this town, but I got a couple places I can show you around, take you out to a movie, maybe dinner or lunch. Hell, let's go back to my place and wake up for brunch. It's a hunch, and I got something to say. You got me feeling like I wanna pay, and I don't mean that in a disrespectful way. You just got me zoned with the way that you sway. Oh yeah, the fancy cars, the women in the caviar. You know who we are, 'cause we're pimping all over the world. Fancy cars, women in the caviar. You know who we are, 'cause we're pimping all over the world. Now listen, I'm trying to get in your pants, but I'm a gentleman. I'll show you a little romance first. Yeah, buy you a purse, earrings, glasses, don't care what it's worth. Now, look, give us a guess where we're going. Somewhere far away so they don't hear you moaning. You mean while I'm groaning, just playing, but I'm just saying it really happened if it wasn't raining. Because you would get those new Gucci shoes wet, but there's plenty of dry space up in my jet. Yeah, I'll bring some friends along that you never met, and now it's set. Drop them off in Paris or London and act like her clothes just became undone. Next part gets a little disturbing, but you're a good audience, so you kind of deserve it. Matter of fact, it's not even worth it, because you already heard it. It's a word, snitch. Kind of ended a little early, I understand, but there it is, and hope y'all like it. So subscribe, and yeah.